Mysore की खूबसूरती शब्दों में बयां करना बहुत मुश्किल है. Its royalty can be seen in its palaces. Its richness can be seen in its saris and sandalwood. Its sweetness tasted in Mysore Pak, and the cultural heritage as well as tradition preserved in its paintings. Mysuru Suswagata. The palace city of India, Mysore preserves an old-world charm that never fails to enchant. Mysore is famous for its impressive art and craft and was ruled by the Vodiyar dynasty for almost 6 centuries. The bazaars of cultural capital of Karnataka has it all. From colourful Mysore silk saris to fragrant Mysore agarbattis, everything here has an essence of Mysore. आप किसी भी बाजार में जाइए, आपको सैंडलवुड की खुशबू अपनी ओर जरूर खींचेगी. The nearby airport is the Bangalore International Airport, which is 140 kilometers from here. Mysore is well connected by railways from all parts of the country. Travelling by train is the easiest way to reach the place. Bus services are available every 5 minutes from Bangalore. Luxury and normal buses are also available, which cost about 300 rupees. My journey in this cultural city starts with the very old Devaraja market. This market is the right place to get a flavour of the local people of Mysore. Well, in this age-old market, about a century old, I'm looking for Adil, whom I like to call the man of essential oils. You know why? Because he's very popular on the web, especially if you're searching for Mysore. भैया, आदिल की शॉप कहाँ पे है?
आदिल स्ट्रेट देख रही है ना? हाँ. वो आदिल का दुकान है. दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ, बोर्ड दिख गया. Thank you. Mysoreans are famous for their calm attitude and helpful nature. और मैं यहाँ मिलने आई हूँ ऐसे ही एक Mysorean से. Well, I think I've finally found it. Yes! After much hard work. Situated on the eastern end of the Devaraja market, this shop is run by brother duo Adil and Azam.
Please, come in.
Well, tell me Adil, what is so special about the essential oils that you have that makes you so popular not only in Mysore but even on the internet?
Yes, ma'am. It's my pleasure because each and every oil has different properties. Smell this, lotus, the national flower of India. Very good for migraine and meditation.
How much concentration do you have? Because it's really strong.
Exactly. It's 98%.
98%.
Yes.
And this
jasmine,
is essential oil.
Yeah, it's essential oil. And jasmine, it's a symbol of woman.
Yes, I love jasmine smells. Now you're saying that this can also be used as a perfume. So how is this better than Itar? Because I see you also have some Itar bottles right there. How is this better?
Yeah, because it's more strength than the perfumes. Because it has no chemical. See, smell this.
Can you put some?
Yeah.
Which one is this?
It's a Blue Moon. It smells just like a Hugo Boss, the international perfume.
It actually does.
It is.
It actually does. And how much does this bottle cost?
Yeah, it is 10 ml for 100 rupees for 10 ml.
The Hugo Boss is going to sue him. But this is a lovely smell though.
Yeah.
Okay. Adil and Azam's shop is a very famous essential oil shop of this bazaar. A small shop beautifully decorated with bright colors standing out in the market. Adil and Azam की shop पर हर तरह का oil pure form में available है. Oh, you have these diaries?
Yes, yes.
By countries. So I see a lot of these. What are these records?
No, this is like each country has each book. It's like a small world of me. And see, I show you some of them. Even the
Well, he
people.
has one book of each country. I see Holland, I see Australia, France.
Yes. And that's my friend. She find me on
Oh,
internet.
it's like a note we write
Exactly,
to you.
yeah.
Wow, check this one out. So this is, who's this?
Adil meets me.
Oh, you look so different. Okay, and what's written here is that Adil and Azam I
My
assume
brother,
is your brother,
yeah.
have been so helpful, informative, and they're well deserving of their recent entry in Lonely Planet. We're walking away having made some great friends as well as oils. Wow, so a lot of people here, they come purchase a lot of oils from
Yes.
you. And what else do you have in your shop?
I have like incense sticks, the natural incense.
I love to see some.
Okay. See, these are the lavenders. Very good for sleeping. Most famous from Mysore,
Of course.
the sandalwood and the
Of
lotus.
course. Sandalwood and this
Yes.
one, the
And
lotus.
each stick gonna burn for more than 2 hours. And here is the proof. See, I burned for 2 hours.
Okay, there's another entry
It's
here
only,
in his
It's
records.
only about the sticks.
Another entry, and this is by Laura.
Yes.
She's from Canada. Another person who's visited Adil. She says that every time, even the last one, it burned for 2 hours. It smelled the same. Very good quality and frank business. I like it. Okay, so I'll buy some. And how much will this cost? I want to check out the price for this essential oil too. How much will this bottle cost?
This is 20 ml. 20 ml is 200 rupees.
20 ml is 200 rupees.
Exactly.
And 10 ml?
10 ml is 100 rupees. It's here.
100 rupees.
Yes.
So this much bottle for 100 rupees
100
of
rupees.
essential oils.
Exactly.
Okay, and what about the incense sticks?
Yeah. Sandalwood is like 80 rupees for 100 grams.
Okay.
And lavender is 50 rupees.
I will take both. 100 grams.
Thank you. With my
Yes.
pleasure.
And then, honestly, it smells so nice. I hope you're able to, but I'd love to see how these are made because the quality is superb. So I'd
No.
love to see how this is made.
No problem. If you want, I'll take you to the factory how to
You
make
will?
it. Yeah,
I
will.
was really hoping.
Let's do
Okay,
it.
lovely. अगरबत्ती का मैसूर से बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है. The art of making agarbatti shifted to Mysore in 1920 as forest-based raw material like sandalwood, bamboo, charcoal, and other aromatic plants were available from local areas. और आज अगरबत्ती बनाने का काम यहाँ पर एक बड़ी कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री का रूप ले चुका है. So Adil, is this where the incense that I bought is actually made? यहाँ पे बनती है?
Yes. जी हाँ, यही बनती है. अब देखिए ये लोग बना रहे हैं.
ये exactly है क्या? डंडी पे क्या चिपकाते हैं? ये जो काला काला होता
ये
है?
जो गम पाउडर होता है. फर्स्ट
अच्छा.
आपको गम पाउडर में सैंडलवुड पाउडर मिक्स करना पड़ता है.
अच्छा.
मिक्स करके उसको आपको डो बनाना पड़ता है.
अच्छा.
फिर आपको स्टिक्स पे बैम्बू स्टिक्स पे रोल करना पड़ता है. देखिए
ये बैम्बू एक बैम्बू
जी,
स्टिक लगती है
जी, जी,
और
जी.
उस पे गम पाउडर
हाँ.
मिक्स विद सैंडलवुड या जो भी फ्लेवर
एग्जैक्टली
चाहिए वो
जो
बनता
फ्लेवर
है.
चाहिए आपको बना के देखिए ऐसे डिप करके बनाना पड़ता है.
काफी मेहनत का काम लगता है ना
नहीं
वैसे?
बहुत इजी है. दिखता मेहनत का है लेकिन बहुत इजी है. एक औरत दिन में 5-5 हज़ार अगरबत्तियाँ बनाती हैं.
5000?
5,000 जी.
That's a huge number.
Yes,
So यहाँ
yes.
से फिर उसके बाद ये सारे जाती हैं अगरबत्तियाँ कहाँ पर?
होल वर्ल्ड इनका होल वर्ल्ड में जाता है. लाइक
अच्छा.
एक्सपोर्ट भी करते हैं ये लोग. फ्रांस, इटाली, जर्मनी, जी, दिल्ली.
सैंडलवुड काफी एक्सपेंसिव है.
जी हाँ.
तो यहाँ पे कुछ मिलाते भी हैं सैंडलवुड या फिर प्योर सैंडलवुड पाउडर होता है?
फर्स्ट क्वालिटी में आप बना नहीं सकते. थर्ड क्वालिटी का सैंडल पाउडर और ऑयल मिक्स करके उसको
ऑयल
बनाना
मिक्स
पड़ता है.
करके ताकि
जी हाँ.
फ्रेग्रेंस स्ट्रॉन्ग रहे
जी
ना.
हाँ.
मैसूर पूरे इंडिया में अगरबत्ती के सबसे बड़े सप्लायर्स में से एक है. इट जनरेट्स एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ 25 मिलियन पीपल पर डे. Well, I hope अब आपको पता लग गया हो कि जो अगरबत्तियाँ आपके घरों में अच्छी फ्रेग्रेंस फैलाती हैं वो एक्चुअली बनती कैसे हैं और रास्ता उनका यहाँ से आपके घरों तक कैसे नपता है. देवराजा मार्केट एक टिपिकल ट्रेडिशनल मार्केट का परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल है. भैया मैंने केले के पत्ते तो साउथ में हर जगह देखे हैं, मैंने ये नहीं देखा ये क्या है?
ये बनाना स्टेम.
This lane is flooded with truckloads of bananas. मैसूर में फ्लावर्स बहुत पॉपुलर है, स्पेशली जैस्मिन. बहुत मेहनत होगी भैया, थैंक यू. बहुत थक गई मैं.